In Chapter 1, we said the thing that makes psychology a science is its commitment to evidence. This chapter is where that commitment becomes a method, because here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain is a magnificent pattern detector, and that's exactly the problem. It finds patterns whether or not they're really there. It remembers the hits and forgets the misses. It believes things because they feel true. The scientific method is a set of tools for protecting us from ourselves. It starts with a question, sharpened into a hypothesis, a specific testable prediction. Not just sleep matters, but students who sleep 8 hours score higher on a memory test than students who sleep 4. The key word is testable. A hypothesis has to be able to fail. If no possible result could ever prove you wrong, you're not doing science, you're just expressing a belief. Once you have a hypothesis, you collect data systematically, analyze it with statistics, and draw conclusions you hold loosely, ready to revise. Then comes the step people forget, replication. A single study is a rumor. A finding only earns trust when other researchers in other labs get the same result. To compare across studies, researchers define their terms with operational definitions. They specify exactly how a fuzzy concept like stress or aggression will be measured in this particular study so anyone can repeat it. And good science is built to fight bias. We're prone to confirmation bias, noticing evidence that fits what we already believe and ignoring the rest. We fall for hindsight bias, feeling sure we knew it all along once we hear the answer. The whole apparatus of method, control groups, blind procedures, peer review, replication exists to catch these errors before they fool us. Critical thinking is the heart of it, asking what the evidence actually shows, whether there's another explanation, and how confident we're entitled to be. This isn't about being cynical, it's about being calibrated, matching the strength of your belief to the strength of your evidence. Over the next few segments, we'll build up the real toolkit psychologists use, from simply watching behavior, to measuring how things relate, to running the experiments that let us claim that one thing actually causes another. Let's start with the methods that describe behavior as it naturally occurs.